let's see what we got going on here in the YouTube community. Holy crap, I better do something. Located at 88.9 FM. Alright, and let's go on to Rush right here and Limelight. This is the final Friday Night Renegade show right here on WGUR. Alright guys, so in honor of my 100th subscriber here on YouTube, figured this is the last night here at the village. For tomorrow I go home for the summer, and so with John already gone, here's the remaining roommate, Bob.
Thanks. You real Americans.
So you're going on, when's your tour start, man?
Just eat your dinner. Don't take it too seriously. A lot of what he says is intended as humor.
Friday the 13th, huh?
Yeah.
I gotta show you guys this. It is 12:02 in the morning, and that is my TV. And that is a radio station you're hearing. It's like 2 radio stations and coming out of my TV. Q106 and something else. And it's on channel 97. Your guess is as good as mine on this, on how I was able to pull this off. Hey guys, check this out. You got to see this for yourself. Alright, look at that. On blog, over 400 viewers, like close to 440, and I'm sure the number is going to keep climbing. I'm being featured. I'm being featured here on Blog TV. This is the most viewers I've ever had in my life. Holy crap. Thank you so much, Blog, for featuring me. I greatly appreciate it. Alright, so, once again, I want to give a shout out to SexyBaby89 or SexyBabe89, whatever it is, I want to thank her for being my 100th subscriber on YouTube.
This is the Clark Howard Show, where you learn to save
coming up
more and
on
spend
Ringgold
less,
here,
not get ripped off.
and
Our number, 877.
usually get off at this exit, but Ringgold was pretty much got clobbered at time.
Found a serious error on one of my
what
three
it
credit
looks like.
So I muted it, and in an
Oh my God.
unbelievably fast cycle.
That Ruby Tuesday is demolished, so is the gas station. It's completely gone. McDonald's is destroyed.
Standard form.
The Crystal is gone. Crystal's closed. There's no gas station there anymore. We used to stop at that gas station. All of this used to be, the Hardee's is done, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, everything, except for the Cracker Barrel is pretty much destroyed. The Wendy's is closed. It suffered damage.
It is really the only logical explanation about how such a double severe error, like was on my report,
and look at that.
in less than 2
There
weeks.
used to be a
It was almost
gas station here. It's gone.
Well, what
All of
happens
it.
if you're not a VIP?
Inside's still there, but it's pretty much
The interesting thing the New York
done.
Times pointed out is that the procedures you should follow to dispute an item are really the things that the big
Ace is
movement
often
has to
special,
happen with
but
those people.
even
What I've also told
the
you in the
Ace
past,
suffered
that if you have
damage,
documentation,
sign
if you have
damage, roof
what
damage,
you
inside
consider to be
damage.
proof,
They're barely
and
open
it does
now.
not
They're
get fit,
having,
your next
they
move
don't,
at that
they're
point
not even open. They're having to
is to
rebuild
redispute
the whole
with the
shopping
credit bureau
center. is having
And
to
if you fail
rebuild.
again, you sue them.
Half of it's
You
gone.
sue the credit bureau, you sue the creditor,
Look at this.
and you sue them in small
Ace is
claims
reduced
court.
to a
And that's when
tin
you have
in a
a real
little
evaluation
box.
of the problem.
So is
by
the
a human
dominoes.
being.
Look at
A
that.
lot of people are intimidated by that process.
There's an
What you
old
have
Kangaroo gas
is a piece
station.
of paper that
Done.
has been referred to as the license to hunt.
Yeah, exactly.
So you got a judgment against an individual or a business?
A business.
And what had they done you wrong? What did they do?
It was a contractor.
The only thing
for a
that
house we were
really
building,
didn't look like
and
it had
he
any
abandoned
damage
the
was the
project
Cracker Barrel.
After we had paid him a
And
great
Holiday
deal of
Inn.
money.
Holiday Inn.
How much of your
looks
money did he
okay.
run off with?
Well, the judgment, we ended up, because it was
even
small
the Waffle
claims, we
House
went to the
down there.
maximum, which is
Done.
$7,500 plus expenses.
gonna
What I have done is
take a look at,
put a lien against their home,
Another view.
but nothing has
Oh man,
happened.
look at that hotel down
Well, you know
there.
what the
Used to be a
lien
hotel
does
down
is
there,
it
just
protects you at the
rubble.
time they would
Same
try
for that
to refi or try to
service
sell the
station.
home.
Right.
But in terms of
Crystal.
more aggressive tactics, the reason I wanted to know how much money it was,
Like I
is
said,
that
the
when
Holiday
you have a
Inn.
judgment that is
This
9,000
raise.
and counting.
Down through here. Looks
You
good.
should consider hiring a collection
Back there.
to go after
That got the
business.
worst.
Now, depending on the laws in your state, the politicians, judges,
This is why we're collecting
others
supplies.
that the
all
credit bureau
bands
consider
in,
to be
Hudson
influential.
County.
not
You see, you
use
guys.
the automated system to dispute an item.
People
Always
here in Ringgold need
print
help.
out the manual form, fill it out,